Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the game and yourself. Close the game, backup saves, and sign out of multiplayer so changes apply cleanly. Once done, open the main menu and go straight to Settings or Options. You want the language, region, or audio/text subsection. Make sure you know the platform, Steam, console, or mobile, because launchers can override in-game choices. This avoids lost progress and ensures the setting you change is actually the one the game uses. Now choose the exact language for UI, subtitles, and voice. Games often separate those options, so you get the experience you want. If the game needs a language pack, hit Download or Install. On Steam, change the game's properties language. On consoles, check System or Game Settings, and on mobile, use the app settings or device language. Apply the change and let any asset downloads finish. Make sure to accept prompts. A restart is usually required for new text and audio files to load correctly. Finish by restarting the game and device, then load a save to confirm the UI, subtitles, and voice match your chosen language. If text shows wrong characters or input feels off, check keyboard layout and console or OS region settings because those can override fonts and input methods. If the language still fails to appear, reinstall the language pack or reset the launcher/app language. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves mismatches and forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.